Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through the complete process of deleting your Kahoot account directly from your mobile device. This guide will show you exactly how to permanently remove your Kahoot profile in just a few simple taps. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then, in the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Now, tap on Delete Account to begin the deletion process. The app will now prompt you to select a reason for deleting your account. Choose the reason that best fits your situation from the provided options. Then, tap on the Delete Account button to proceed with the removal. Finally, a confirmation screen will appear, asking you to verify your decision. This is your last chance to change your mind, so make sure you're certain about deleting your account. Tap on Delete Account one more time to confirm and permanently remove your Kahoot account. Your account will now be deleted from the Kahoot platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.